As Director of Medical Services at Family Service and Guidance Center, I know firsthand how interrelated medical and mental health are. For a person to be truly healthy, they need a healthy heart. A healthy heart allows us to be fit and active. In a way, our friends and supporters are the heart of the work that we do at Family Service and Guidance Center. They provide us the energy and the drive to find the needs and find the ways to help the children that really need our care. If your child was dealing with asthma or diabetes or even a cold, you wouldn't think twice about seeking help for them. It's no different with mental health. Mental health is just as important, it's readily available, and the good thing is top-notch mental health services are available right here in our community at Family Service and Guidance Center.
Some of the challenges that I faced as a former client here was I had anxiety and a mood disorder. The staff here helped me overcome those challenges by being patient with me, talking to me, and working one-on-one with me. And they taught us this little saying that's like, when you want to kick, you sit there and you think to yourself, keep it cool, kid. And I remember that.
My name is Kasaya, I'm 7 years old. I like to play with scooters and hula loops.
Kasaya, being so young when she started coming here, I got a lot of input and insight as to what was really going on with her mental health issues, with her anxiety, and Kiwanja as well. They kind of walked me through it and helped me to recognize those things.
Kiwanja is an apple. I play basketball and soccer and volleyball and football.
They've talked to me about how to maintain her mood and her sensory issues and her anxiety, what I can do to reduce that and make her more effective in day-to-day living. And with Kiwanja, it's the same thing. He has mood disorder, so they help me and still are helping me to get that under control and show me different techniques that'll work for him. She has handled tough situations a lot better than when she first got here. She's able to calm herself down in stressful situations. They taught her coping skills in order to get through those tough times.
Listen to your teacher, because if you don't listen, you don't answer questions and you don't know what the questions is, and you don't get stickers on your sticker chart.
I have noticed a tremendous difference in our relationship since coming to Family Service. Life is a lot more easier because I'm better able to understand them and meet their needs better than I was before. So it definitely has made our relationship stronger.
My personality was negative. I wasn't positive about anything in life. I was always thinking about the negative before the positive. It was just a horrible state that I was in, and it wasn't a good person at all. The clothes that I used to wear was really dark clothes, really baggy. I used to wear a hat, put my hair over my face. I did that because I thought it was protecting myself and, you know, trying to hide who I really was and what I looked like. And I would judge myself before others would, so I would try to beat them to it.
She was experiencing anger and depression, just outbursts and stuff. She had lost her grandfather, and her dad and I divorced. Everything just kind of came crashing down around her, and she didn't know how to deal with things. Atmosphere at home before she came into FGC was chaotic, walking on eggshells. You were afraid to talk to her. You were afraid to say something. You were afraid to touch her. She would hit people. She would slam things. She would break things. She'd take off. She would hurt herself.
The works of art activities meant to me was happiness, a relief, an outlet of my feelings. It was an easy way to express who I was and what I was feeling, and it meant a whole lot to me because it changed who I was. I went from being a bully to helping people that were being bullied. I went from being angry to being happy. I also went from a negative mindset to a positive mindset. It felt really amazing to graduate. I was kind of nervous because I don't know what's out there and what my next big move was going to be, but it felt pretty good to graduate and make my whole family proud and all that. And then my next big plans would be to go to Wichita State University, graduate probably with a major in acting, music, or art, and have a minor in the other two that is not my major. My life without FSGC would probably be a black hole. I wouldn't know where I would be, honestly. I could be out in the streets. There's no telling where my life would have been. All I know is it wouldn't have been positive. They changed my life by putting a positive role model in my life and showing my mom that, there is a positive in me. There's not always negative. And another way that it changed me was it changed how I really thought about myself and how I really felt and how to express who I was.
It's a complete change around. I mean, like I said, I don't know what I'd do without FGC.
For 110 years, Family Service and Guidance Center has been at the heart of our community, helping generations of families. We're proud and honored to have been trusted with the care of so many children and families. What makes me most proud is that we don't just provide treatment, we provide hope. You can continue to help us provide hope for children and families. We ask that you be the
beat that
keeps
us
going.